What's going on, boaters? Behind me is a 2027 Premier 230 Sunsation. Let's check out a few features. Starting off on the exterior, you have your white and black hammered aluminum panels with your white rails. You are going to have a power bimini, so it's easy to put up and down, especially when you're going onto the bridges, or if half of you want to be in the sun and the other half don't. You have your ricochet ladder here in the back. Super easy to get in and out of the boat. It is also self-retracting, so if you forget to put it up, it will come up as you go. You have your Mercury 150 outboard. You have your white ski tow bar, so you can go tubing, skiing, wakeboarding. A great feature is going to be where your battery switches here in the back. You're not having to ask anyone to get out of their seats so you can get to it. You have your two couches, your table that you can keep out or put away. You have your co-captain, captain seat. You have your Lowrance Eagle 5 display with your analog gauges, your wet sounds audio control, and then we are going to have our flip-up table over here. So when it's ready to get the snacks out for the day, flip that up, have them out. You have your big center tune ski locker. You are going to have your hidden paper towel holder and trash in the helm. And then up front, we do have your two bow couches with your transparent bow door, so the dogs can come on board, enjoy the lake just as much as you are. You're going to want to come check out this pontoon at MarineMax Nisswa, or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you on the Premier today.